This is the Huawei Mate X, the world's first and also fastest 5G foldable smartphone. You see here is a 6.6 inch, no notch and no punch hole. The real full size, the big size, the 6.6 full screen smartphone. And here is the power key and also the fingerprint, okay? And the volume key here. And in the back side, you will see the camera system. This is the Leica camera system. And with this is a release key. When you click it, it will release the phone can transform to an 8-inch full size, also full screen tablet. Okay, so here you will see the Type-C port. The Type-C connector here supports Huawei Supercharge 55 watts. It can charge just 30 minutes for 85%. At the same time, with the big battery, here are two batteries inside. The total is around the 4,500 milliamp big battery. And you will see the screen supports 2K, so you can enjoy the 2K the video. And the speakers come from here. And and you also can do the split screen. Okay, the split screen you can have the GPS, or you can have the multi windows to have like the web browsing, or also can like do the work and play at the same time. Okay. Let's talk about the hinge. The hinge back, you can see there are two parts. Hinge is the key for foldable. Huawei take 3 years to make this, we call a 4-cone width. When you fold it, these two sides will go inside. Okay, the hinge. So when we fold it, it can be 100% flat, and also after do the 100 degree, it is no gap in the middle. So when you hold it, it's very convenient. And we put the cord for antenna, 5G antenna here, connector here, camera module here. We call it an M bar. It's very convenient to one hand carry, just like this. So for your web browsing, ebook reading is very convenient. And it is very good for the typing. Two hands typing. Yeah. In fact, it even can do better in the typing. It also can put on the table to do the typing. Yeah. Because this make it look like a keyboard stand. Yeah. I also can do camera demo for you. Yeah. Okay. Before that, for sure it supports full screen. Right? Let us fold it. Real photo with the Leica cameras. It can detect when you turn this way, it will be the selfie. So it will always enjoy the best camera system. Okay, back to here. Another thing, you can see the button here. If you click it, it will enable the mirror shooting. So when I shoot for you, you can see yourself. Okay, you can see yourself. Okay, you can enable and also disable it. We fully utilize the screen. So when you take photos for your girlfriends, you don't need to worry. Always the best shot. Okay. So that is Huawei Mate X.